All right, time to put my money where my mouth is. Time to drive in the snow. Cold start. That radio station is Family Radio, 106.3 out of Westchester, New York, if anyone's interested. Excuse me. So we're about to venture off in the snow, and I only have 17 miles to empty. This could go okay, or my next video segment could be my car plowing into my shed. Let's find out. There's only one way to find out if she's going to perform in the snow. And normally you don't expect a GT350 to perform in the snow. So when I say perform, I mean survive. And that is to man up and get out there and drive, which I'm about to do. Here we go. All right, we're putting her in weather mode. There we go. Here we go. Okay, just trying a little brake in there to see how slippery it is. Ooh, we're stuck. All right. We're stuck. I guess it's better to be stuck here than sliding down that road there. I thought we would be a little bit better off because it's kind of like it's a wet, kind of heavy snow. In other words, if I snow blow this, it's going to take me 4 hours. Try a little more here. All right, let's try turning off traction control. Famous last words. Traction control off. All right, we're just spinning here. I probably should have just kept my momentum instead of testing it out with my brakes. Yeah, we're stuck. All right, so the rear end is increasingly facing the downhill portion of my driveway, so I don't really want to try this much more. What I'm going to do is dig out, and I'm going to go ahead and put her back in the garage. And I'm going to go ahead and say that, and you guys are going to ding me for this, but I'm going to go ahead and say that summer tires, especially the 295s and 305s in the back, are probably not the best for snow driving, but I had to try. Someday, if I actually get like stuck at work in the snow, I'll try to drive back. Right now, I just got stuck in my driveway. I think if I had some momentum, I could probably get up the driveway, or if I had a slow kind of crawl down, a slow descent down the driveway, I could probably have done it because it's actually not that, it doesn't seem to be that slippery. But for now, I seem to be stuck, so I'm not going to push my luck. Yeah, there it is. All right, guys, here we go. All right, here's the external view. I guess this is a little bit slipperier. Guess we're gonna have to put that shovel back to work. Yeah, I didn't want. I could have rocked her back and forth and then tried to get down there, but I'm slipping already. But that's pretty steep actually right there, and I would end up hitting that shed, which is on a cliff, which goes back into like a kind of like a stream. So we don't want to do that. Yeah, stuck in the snow again. 2 Mustangs for 2, stuck in the snow. Who would have thunk? That icy, snowy stuff coming down. Better get the car in before it scratches it. Getting her all cleared out. If you guys live in Florida, I recommend staying there. And also, can I move in with you? There's a like-minded individual in a Porsche who got stuck. All right, we dug out under the car, we laid down some salt or ice rock melt, whatever that stuff is, and we're gonna bring her into the garage so I can clean out underneath. All right, weather mode again. Here we go. Ooh, still pretty bad, huh? Let's try again. I thought I cleared it out. I thought I cleared it out a lot, but wow. Wow. Apparently we got to revisit. Put down some more salt. Burb. All right, here we go again. Back to weather mode. All right, what's the saying? Third time's a charm? Or is it 3 strikes and you're out?
3 strikes.
Let's see. We're moving. All right, she's back inside. So now we can at least stop being pelted by ice cubes falling off the trees. Ford, come on, man. I did not expect for my GT350, my 526 horsepower GT350 to be stuck in the snow when I put on weather mode, dude. How was I supposed to know that summer-only tires are not good in the snow? For those of you who don't know me, that was a joke. But anyway, I had to try. I don't think I'll actually be taking this car out in the snow. I will need to get some snow tires, or at least all-season tires. So we'll have to, look into doing that. So was I successful in driving in the snow? Let me just say that it takes a big man to admit when he's wrong. I am not a big man, relatively speaking. Like relative to an elephant. Or a hippo. Or the moon. Over the millennia, we men have been driven by curiosity and a sense of adventure. What's across the sea? What's on the moon? What does the sand of Mars look like? Why are women so strange? I mean, complicated. Can I drive my GT350 with summer tires in the snow? Don't fault me for having a sense of adventure. That's how the world was forged. By guys like me, who are willing to go out and drive their GT350s in the snow. You know what's up, boo. What? Do something. Didn't think so. All right, guys, I got to finish the driveway. Always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and no matter what you do, always go flat out.